Hey, welcome to Tutorial Lore. This video explains the Ford Explorer alternator failing issue and the likely reasons behind it. This video discusses common issues reported by Ford owners and potential causes. This information is for general awareness and may not apply to every vehicle. Always consult a certified mechanic or dealership for specific concerns. An alternator failing in the Ford Explorer is commonly described as repeated battery drain, warning messages related to the charging system, dim or flickering lights, or the vehicle shutting down while driving. Verified owner complaints, service information, and repair data show that alternator-related concerns have been reported across multiple Ford Explorer model years and generations, with variation depending on engine configuration, electrical load, mileage, and maintenance history. One verified and frequently reported cause is internal alternator wear. Over time, components such as bearings, brushes, or voltage regulation circuitry can degrade, reducing the alternator's ability to properly charge the battery. This may lead to gradual charging loss rather than sudden failure. Another confirmed cause involves voltage regulator-related issues. In many Explorer models, the voltage regulation function is integrated into the alternator or controlled electronically. Faults in this system can cause overcharging or undercharging, both of which are documented in owner reports and service information. Drive belt-related problems have also been verified. A loose, worn, or slipping serpentine belt can prevent the alternator from spinning at the correct speed, resulting in insufficient charging even when the alternator itself is not fully failed. This may be more noticeable during acceleration or when electrical demand is high. Electrical connection issues are another documented factor. Corroded wiring, poor ground connections, or damaged charging cables can interrupt current flow between the alternator and battery, leading to charging warnings or intermittent power loss. Other potential contributing factors, which are not confirmed in every case, may include excessive electrical load from accessories, software-related charging control behavior in newer models, or sensor feedback issues. These are considered possibilities and should be confirmed through proper diagnostic testing. Common solutions reported by technicians and owners include charging system testing, inspecting the drive belt and electrical connections, repairing wiring or grounds, and replacing the alternator when failure is confirmed. Repairs depend on accurate diagnosis and vehicle-specific conditions. Owner feedback trends indicate that many Ford Explorer alternator failures present gradually with warning signs before complete loss of charging. However, experiences vary by model year, generation, and electrical system design. In conclusion, a failing alternator in the Ford Explorer is typically linked to component wear, voltage regulation issues, or mechanical and electrical support problems. The exact cause differs by vehicle, generation, and model year, making professional diagnosis essential. If you don't understand something or have any questions, leave a comment below. This is not a commercial or paid promotion, but an informational video. If you have any copyright concerns or inquiries, refer to description for email.